Hello everyone and welcome back to the fourth day from the series 6 Days of Halloween with Concrafty. This is the card we are making today. It's a tutorial as well, it's the last tutorial in the series actually. And I have two more projects very fun and nice and sweet to share with you tomorrow and after tomorrow. But meanwhile, let's see what card we are making today. You might recognize it's basically an easel card with a twist. It's a twist that I have added myself last year when I made a kit for my clients to scrapbook home in the pandemic time. And so what I have added is these two panels that I have attached to the front of the card. And I thought it looks very cute, and I hope you like it too and you will feel inspired to create with me. This is the Halloween design, and I hope you don't mind if I create with the Christmas papers, because now I have already one card for Halloween with this design. So what we need for this card are three pieces of cardstock. One that is 20 by 10 centimeters, the second one that is 11.5 by 9.5 centimeters, and the third one that is 9.5 by 9.5 centimeters. And by the way, we are only working in centimeters here. First step is to take the biggest piece of cardstock, the one that measures 10 by 20, and to create the first base of the card. So obviously, if you have made an easel card before, you can just jump ahead and only stop if you need, of course, at the part where I'm showing you how to attach the panels. Okay, so this piece that is 10 by 20, we put it with a long side up and we fold it in two first time, and then we open it again, and with any of the sides, either the right or the left, we bring it to the score line that we have just created. So basically to the middle of the card, to the middle of the cardstock piece, and we will create a second score line. This is the first base of our card. This is what I'm showing you here. And by the way, don't get scared if you see me using scissors to create my score lines. I don't always find the bone folder around me. Now you close the card and you keep it with the opening towards you, and you will basically have two rectangles, and close to the on the rectangle closest to you, you put two strips of double sticky tape, on which we will attach the square piece of cardstock, the one that measures 9.5 by 9.5. We will attach it as central as possible. We will obtain a small frame around it, because it's a tad smaller than the red piece of cardstock, than the base. And so with this we will basically have the easel card, the base for the easel card, which is very easy, isn't it? So from now on, I am showing you how to add the panels. For the panels, we will work with a piece that is 11.5 by 9.5, that's the third piece of cardstock. And we will again put it with a long side up, and we will fold it in two. We will obtain two rectangles. So on that score line, we will cut, and we will obtain two rectangles that are 9.5 by 5.75 centimeters each. And now we score both rectangles at 1 centimeter on the short edge. Next, we apply on that one strip of 1 centimeter, we apply double sticky tape. Exactly like I'm showing you here. I hope it's as clear as it can be. So you can see they are folded with that 1 centimeter on the inside, because that is where we attach the panels on the card, like I'm showing you here, on the square piece of the card. Yes, in our case, one on the right edge and the other on the left edge. So next you take away the backing from the double sticky tape and you attach it as lined as possible with the edge of the square. first one and then the other, and then this is what you have. You will have basically your base for the Window-easel card, which I like very much. I think it's a very cute card that gives you the possibility to hide a message behind, a secret, and things like this. I think it's very sweet, especially for Halloween, but for Christmas as well. So now we are going, moving forward and to decorate the card, and for the inside we need a square that is 9.5 by 9.5. For the part behind the panels, we need a piece that is 9 by 9 centimeters, so that is behind the panels. And then we will need another piece, basically two rectangle panels that are 9 by 4.5, two pieces. Now you choose your own design here. Obviously, here we each have full freedom, complete freedom. By the way, I didn't tell you what I used to decorate both cards. I used the collection papers from Doodlebug. For the Halloween card, I have used a collection called Candy Carnival, yes. And for this Christmas card, I have used the collection that is called Christmas Magic, I think, yes. Adorable collections. And to each you can buy ephemera packs that each contain about 90 pieces, which is more than enough to create tens, if not hundreds of cards, basically, if you need that much. But they are all adorable, and there is one specifically with sentiments, like I'm showing you here, and another one obviously with decorations, like I will show you very soon. You will see very soon. So now we are left with decorating the two panels, for which I said we need two pieces of pattern paper that measure each 9 by 4.25 centimeters. And then, of course, you apply these to your front panels and you are ready to move further with decorating your card. I have chosen this lovely decoration from the ephemera pack, and I will attach it to the inner part of the left panel. And because it's a bit of an irregular shape, I will use a pencil to mark the bottom and the upper part of it, upper edges, to make sure that I apply the double sticky tape where I need it, and so that the decoration stays where it should be, so I don't place it beyond. Okay, now like I said, I'm applying the double sticky tape between those markings, and next step it will be, of course, to apply the decoration itself. And of course, after this, if you can still see the markings, you can erase them. Use an eraser to remove them. But this lovely decoration will keep the other panel closed as well. And of course, the decoration for the inside of the card, which is valid for all easel cards, will also help to keep both panels closed. I have used this lovely gift box, sorry, on which I have applied, I think, like 3 rows of foam dots, and this is how it looks. It keeps it really close, and I really like it, and I hope so do you. On the inside, of course, you can write your message, your wishes, and I have gone on and continued with decorating the inside. Until tomorrow, when we see each other again with a new and lovely project, I wish you all the best and take care. Have fun. Bye bye.